Have you ever found yourself musing over the mystery that is the female orgasm? It's a fascinating subject, deeply woven into the fabric of our human existence, yet often misunderstood or oversimplified. In our quest for understanding, we will journey into the heart of this captivating subject matter, unraveling the intricate threads that make up one of nature's most enigmatic phenomena. Embarking on this journey, we begin with the initial stage of arousal. This is the warm-up phase in which the body starts to prepare itself for the sensual dance that is about to take place. The heart rate quickens, the breath deepens, and a rush of adrenaline courses through the body, heightening the senses and priming the body for the experience that lies ahead. This heightened state of anticipation causes an increase in blood flow to the pelvic region, imbuing the genitals with a heightened sensitivity to touch and stimulation. This is nature's way of priming the body for a sexual encounter, the body's own form of foreplay. Next, we segue into the plateau stage, a phase where the tension within the body reaches its zenith. The heartbeat becomes a frenzied drum roll, the breathing deepens, becoming more labored, more intense. The body transforms into a symphony of responses, each note building upon the last, all leading to the crescendo of the orgasm. The orgasm itself is a veritable spectacle of euphoria, akin to a fireworks display of pleasure. The body is seized by a series of rapid, rhythmic contractions that pulse through the uterus, vagina, and the muscles of the pelvic floor. Accompanied by a surge of euphoria-inducing chemicals released in the brain, these contractions generate an overwhelming sense of pleasure and release, creating a feeling of otherworldly ecstasy. After the climax, we find ourselves at the resolution phase. Here, the body eases into a relaxed state, the heart rate slows, the breath returns to normal, and a feeling of deep contentment washes over. This post-orgasm period is akin to a sweet aftertaste following a delicious feast. It's the body's way of saying mission accomplished. Deciphering the enigma of the female orgasm is by no means a simple task. It's an intricate ballet of biology, psychology, and chemistry, all playing out in harmonious synchronization. Yet, if we were to simplify this complex process into a nutshell, it would be thus. Arousal leads to a buildup of tension, which culminates in the orgasm, followed by a period of relaxation and satisfaction. It's a complex dance that we are only just beginning to understand. In conclusion, the female orgasm is not only a physical event. It's a monumental convergence of the mind, the body, and one's emotions. It's a piece of living evidence that stands testament to the human body's outstanding and remarkable capacity for unadulterated pleasure. It is a fundamental and integral component of the multifaceted human sexual experience, a sphere that continues to be the subject of much exploration and understanding. The female orgasm is a solo act, nor is it a monotonous routine. It's an experience that is enriched by the intermingling of various components of the self, the physical, the emotional, and the mental. Each of these facets has a role to play, and each contributes to the overall depth and intensity of the experience. Understanding the female orgasm requires patience, open-mindedness, and a spirit of exploration. It requires the willingness to delve into to question pre-existing notions, and to embrace a sense of curiosity. It's about unraveling the complexities, about recognizing the nuances, and about celebrating the unique individuality of each woman's experience. Communication, too, holds an incredibly crucial place within this framework. It's about creating a safe space where discussions can flow freely, where questions can be raised, and where doubts can be addressed. It's about fostering a sense of mutual respect, a sense of trust, and a sense of understanding. It's about building bridges, about nurturing connections, and about strengthening bonds. Through understanding and communication, one can foster a healthy and satisfying sexual relationship, one with respect, trust, and mutual consent. Such a relationship not only enhances the sexual experience, but also strengthens the bond between partners, fostering a sense of companionship, of intimacy, and of deep connection. So let us continue to learn, continue to explore, and continue to foster open conversations around this intricate aspect of female sexuality. Let us continue to delve into the mysteries, continue to question, and continue to celebrate the uniqueness of each woman's experience. Let us continue to embrace the incredible diversity of the human sexual experience, the myriad ways in which pleasure can be experienced, and the profound depths of human emotion. This was a brief overview of the female orgasm, a beautiful, complex, and often misunderstood aspect of female sexuality, a phenomenon that reminds us of the intricate beauty of the human body and the profound depths of human pleasure.